Okay, we're in Mr. Moiso's classroom where we're testing the wind tunnel for CO2 cars. So we're going to get a demonstration from a student on how to take your car and put it into the device and record and find out how much drag it may have.
Alright, so you have your car, and you have to make sure that the eye pin's in either before or after the axle. And then in here, you just take the top off. And there's a paper clip. And for the paper clip, you put it on the eye pin. And then you attach it to this little hook that's in there. Right, and then once it's in, you put the top on, make sure it's all the way in so you can't move it. This is the speedometer. It'll move up. 1 is 1,000. And
1,000 what?
It is 1,000
Feet per minute. Okay.
Yeah. And then you have the on switches over here. And then, so you have to turn it past here to make it work. And once you do, you go until you see this hit the amount that you want. Like for the first one, it is 2,000. So you move it. So you get it about there. And then the drag will show up on the screen right here, like 17. And then once you record it, and you do all of them that you're supposed to, just turn it off. And then you take top off, and then remove your car.
And that's how you use a CO2 car, testing it in the wind tunnel here in Mr. Moiso's technology class.